Welcome to my channel. Today, we learn English with the incredible story of a man who rose from hardship to become a global superstar. He is not just a wrestler. Not just a movie star. He is a symbol of strength, kindness, and never giving up. This is the story of Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. So, sit back. Take a deep breath. And get ready to learn English with one of the most inspiring life stories of our time. Listen carefully. Feel the words. And remember, every great journey begins with struggle. Dwayne Douglas Johnson was born on May 2, 1972, in Hayward, California. His life started in a wrestling family. His father, Rocky Johnson, was a famous professional wrestler. His grandfather, Peter Maivia, was also a wrestling legend. You might think, with such a strong family, his path was easy. But it was not. Dwayne's childhood was filled with challenges. His family moved often. Sometimes, they had no place to stay. At just 14 years old, he watched his mother cry because they were being evicted, forced to leave their home. That moment broke his heart. He promised himself, "One day, I will take care of everything. No more pain. No more tears." In high school, Dwayne didn't always fit in. He was big. Strong. But he often got into trouble. He was arrested, multiple times, for fighting and stealing. He was lost. Angry. But deep inside, he knew, he wanted more from life. Then something changed. A football coach noticed him. He saw Dwayne's power and potential. That coach gave him a chance. And for the first time, Dwayne had a real purpose. He trained hard. He pushed himself. Day after day. Sweat. Pain. Discipline. He started believing in himself. He got a scholarship to play football at the University of Miami. There, he became a star. He dreamed of the NFL. He dreamed of fame, money, success. But life had other plans. After college, Dwayne joined a football team in Canada. But things did not go well. He played very little. He was not happy. And just like that, his football dream ended. He had only $7 in his pocket. No job. No future. No clear path. But he still had one thing, a dream. He looked back at his roots. Wrestling. The family tradition. He asked his father for help. And soon, Dwayne began training to become a professional wrestler. It was not easy. The wrestling world is tough. You get hurt. You get booed. People don't accept you right away. In 1996, he joined WWE, then called the WWF. He took the name Rocky Maivia to honor both his father and grandfather. But the fans, they didn't like him. They booed. They chanted, "Rocky sucks," over and over. It was painful. Embarrassing. Many would quit. But not Dwayne. He said, "Let me be myself." And he became The Rock, a confident, bold, and charismatic wrestler. He began talking on the microphone with style. He made jokes. He made the crowd laugh and cheer. He had electricity in his voice. Fire in his eyes. Suddenly, the same people who booed him, loved him. The Rock became one of the biggest names in wrestling history. His catchphrases were famous. His eyebrow raise. Iconic. Millions watched him, admired him, and repeated his words. He was a champion, not just in the ring, but in the hearts of fans around the world. But The Rock wanted more. He had dreams beyond wrestling. He loved entertaining people. He loved storytelling. So, he took a risk, and moved into acting. At first, people laughed. A wrestler? In movies? But he didn't care. He worked hard. He took small roles. He studied acting. He trained like never before. In 2001, he got his big break in the movie The Mummy Returns. Then came The Scorpion King. The roles got bigger. The audience grew. Year after year, Dwayne Johnson transformed, from wrestler, to movie star. He didn't just become a star. He became the star. One of the highest paid actors in Hollywood. He starred in blockbusters like Fast and Furious, Jumanji, San Andreas, and Moana. His name on a movie poster meant action, fun, and heart. But behind the muscles and fame, there is still the same young boy who once had nothing. Dwayne often speaks about his struggles. His depression. His failures. He wants people to know, it's okay to fall. What matters, is getting up again. He once said, success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Hard work, gains success. He wakes up at 4 a.m. every day. He trains. He plans. He works harder than anyone else in the room. Why? Because he remembers where he came from. He remembers the pain. And he knows millions of people are watching him, looking for hope. Dwayne is also a family man. He loves his daughters deeply. He often says they are his greatest inspiration. No movie. No title. No money can replace the joy he feels when he's with his family. He also gives back. He visits sick children in hospitals. He donates to schools and communities. He started the Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation to help at-risk children. For him, fame is not about power. It's about lifting others. He says, be humble. Be kind. And always be the hardest worker in the room. Over time, people stopped calling him just The Rock. They started calling him by his real name, Dwayne Johnson. Because he earned respect not just for what he did, but for who he is. He is proof that pain can lead to purpose. That failure is not the end, but the beginning. That you can go from $7 to $7 billion, if you never give up. Today, he is more than a star. He is a brand. A father. A hero. A storyteller. A leader. He even dreams of becoming the president one day, not for power, but to serve people and make the world better. But no matter where he goes, he carries one lesson. It's not about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit, and keep moving forward. That is the power of Dwayne Johnson's story. A story of strength. Of struggle. Of love. Of rising again and again. Now, take a moment to think. What part of his story touched your heart? Was it the pain of his childhood? The moment he had only $7? The rise from rejection to fame? Or the love he shows to others, even with all his success? Let this story inspire you, not just to learn English, but to believe in yourself. No matter where you start, you can change your life. With passion. With hard work. With heart. Thank you for joining me today. You just improved your English by listening to a real, emotional, and powerful story. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and come back for more amazing stories. Because every time you listen, you learn. And every time you feel the words, your English grows stronger. Until next time, keep going. Keep learning. And remember, you are stronger than you think. Just like The Rock.